Now, let's get on to general outlook. As I said, these are current polls. This is FT Financial Times poll of all polls. It takes all polls into consideration, and we see that 44-44 is the result. Now, for YouGov, it's 44-42 for leave. For Orb, it's 53-47. For Servation, 45-42. My own analysis says 43-47. 53-47 for Remain scenario. So I think that we could see something similar to this. But of course, guys, we don't know what undecided will vote for. So we could also see a Brexit. So because we need to have our own opinion, right? We need to have an opinion. We cannot say it could be that, it could be it. Everyone knows it. My own opinion goes slightly towards Remain. So 53-47 or 52-48 towards Remain. But it remains to be seen, of course. So in the case of Bremain, upside will be restricted. Downside should outweigh upside. And guys, this is what I was wanting to tell you. Watch for possible longs on Bitcoin, guys. Okay? If we see a Brexit, Bitcoin should jump heavily. What is a Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a virtual currency. But because there is no central bank to devaluate it, okay, it is a defensive asset. And it, in how I analyze it, it seems to increase its value during risk off because it's a defensive asset. So this is for you guys, one advice, okay? Watch for possible longs of Bitcoin in case of Brexit, okay? Because guys, as I say, Bitcoin is a virtual currency, okay? It's not cash. It's not cash. It's not equity, commodity. It's a currency, okay? But special currency because there is no central bank to govern the policy of the currency. There are no interventions. Only what I could see from the analysis is that it acts as a defensive asset. Additionally, guys, DEX will have a huge impact under Brexit scenario. Under a Brexit scenario, we must realize that we will see impact on DEX because it could mean one of the top 4 trading partners is at risk, and that is UK. Okay, that is UK. What I see is a quick drop to 98.00, and it will be an immediate drop. Further key levels in play are 96.15, 95, 94, and it might drop 2 to 3% per day, 200 to 300 points as a form of continuation. It will expose 87.00, and if it happens, guys, sell the rips. We say sell the rips. So this is a DEX daily chart. So what I can say is immediate drop towards this level here. Okay, immediate drop and further continued by these levels. After Brexit, traders should be focused on selling the dips. Okay, after Brexit. So selling the dips, selling the rallies, selling the rips. So like this. So once we see a Brexit, sell the rips, okay, towards these levels, guys. It will be important. Additionally, guys, we can clearly see here that DEX has been kept under L3 daily. So it means that this is the range that should be tested on Bremain or Brexit. Lower range should be tested after Brexit. And if we see a Brexit towards this level, upper range should be tested on Bremain scenario. So if you want to trade it, you need to make pending orders. Pending orders for breaking these lows here towards these levels, and pending orders for breaking these levels here towards these levels. Because there is also a Bremain scenario. If we see a Bremain, UK as a trading partner would remain status quo. 1060, 600 to 680 should be reached. 10,942 is the next target. It will take probably a couple of days of risk on to reach these targets. So the scenario will be buy the dip, okay? Buying into dips. 10,016, 10,942 guys here. See, these are very important levels. Those are weekly Camarilla levels, and we could see spike towards these levels. If we don't see immediately DAX immediately reaching these levels, we should focus on buy the dips as a continuation. When it breaks this region, it should go up. So pending orders for long should be set here in the case of Bremain scenario, guys. Okay. And this should be reached, of course, this one over the next couple of days.